Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best waterline kit is probably one of the most overlooked components in your kitchen, but it's absolutely crucial for a fully functional refrigerator. Without a reliable waterline kit, you're stuck with lukewarm drinks and no ice. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Icemaker waterline kits, exploring what makes a great kit and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. AQUA CREST Inline Water Filter. This AQUA CREST Inline Water Filter is perfect for your refrigerator, Icemaker, or RV. It's compatible with many brands and can be used in various applications. It ensures you have access to clean and refreshing water wherever you go. Installing this filter is a breeze with its 4-inch fittings. You can connect it quickly without cutting any tubes. Just make sure to insert the PE tube correctly to prevent any leaks. This filter lasts for up to 5 years or 5,000 gallons, offering great value. It costs very little per day, providing you with clean water for a long time. Please note that it will not reduce total dissolved solids, TDS. The filter uses a special membrane and activated carbon to reduce chlorine, PFAS, and other impurities. This improves the taste of your water. The materials are also BPA-free and lead-free, ensuring safety. The package includes everything you need for installation, such as tubing and various fittings. Everything is included to get you started right away. It's a comprehensive solution for clean water. What we like. This filter boasts an impressive 5-year lifespan, offering long-term value and convenience. It's also incredibly versatile, working with various appliances like refrigerators and RVs. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution to improve your water quality, you should consider this. What people say. The install is easy. It worked perfectly, and with a 5,000-gallon capacity, it will last a long time. Easy to install. Haven't had a leak. No smell, no bad taste. My fridge already has its own filter, but I put this in between the line from the fridge to the tap to be better filtered. Number 4. iSpring ICEK Ultra Fridge Waterline Installation Kit. Tired of the taste of your fridge water? This kit connects your water filtration system to your fridge's ice maker and water dispenser. It delivers crystal clear ice cubes and great tasting water. This kit works with any water filtration system, including reverse osmosis systems. It's a simple solution to improve the quality of your water and ice. You will love the difference. The kit includes everything you need for installation, such as tubing and fittings. It's designed for easy DIY installation, so you don't need any tools. It is very convenient. This product has been tested by an independent third party to meet NSF/ANSI standards. You can be confident in its quality and safety. It is a reliable choice. With push-in quick connect fittings, installation is a breeze. No tools are required, making it a simple upgrade for your fridge. It's a quick and easy way to improve your water quality. What we like. This kit is designed for easy, tool-free installation, making setup a breeze. It delivers crystal clear ice and great tasting water, enhancing your overall experience. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to connect your RO system to your fridge, this is the one for you. What people say. The iSpring ICEK installation kit works perfectly with my RO system. This waterline connection kit is easy to install. Now I have very clean water line for my new fridge. I don't need to buy the fridge filter, which is even more expensive in the long run. I installed this line as replacement for the old one and as a companion to iSpring RCC7 RO system. Whole process took about 30 minutes, including work in crawlspace. Glad that I did, as the quality of our ice increased tremendously. No more strange smell or taste. Number 3. Food Grade Icemaker Waterline Kit. This waterline kit works with most refrigerator brands and models, including Samsung, GE, LG, Whirlpool, and Frigidaire. It's perfect for connecting to your undersink filtration or reverse osmosis systems. Made with food-grade materials, this kit meets NSF/ANSI standards and is BPA-free. It ensures you and your family have access to clean, safe ice and water. The quick connect fittings make installation a breeze, with no tools required. Clear instructions are included to help you set it up in minutes. The accessories included in the kit are built to last, providing years of reliable performance. You won't need to worry about replacements anytime soon. The kit includes everything you need: 25 feet of tubing, various tees, a shut-off valve, straight fittings, an adapter, and a compression fitting set. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. This kit uses food-grade materials, ensuring the safety of your water supply. It's compatible with most refrigerator brands, offering broad usability. If you have a standard refrigerator and want a safe and easy-to-install waterline kit, you should consider this. What people say. This one is plenty long and had all of the adapters to properly install it to our new unit. The connections do not leak and it was super easy to install. Once that came in, we hooked everything up and the fridge was working 100%. No leakage and perfect connections. I was able to replace the line and add a shut-off easily. The push-to-connect adapters were super easy to connect, and no leaks. Number 2. Waterline Kit for Fridge Icemaker. This waterline kit is designed for a wide range of applications. It's perfect for connecting to under-sink filtration systems, reverse osmosis systems, and more. It works with most refrigerator brands and models. This kit is compatible with various systems, including ice makers, water dispensers, and drinking water filter faucets. It's a versatile solution for your water connection needs. The kit includes 25 feet of NSF-certified RO tubing that is BPA-free, non-toxic, and odorless. The accessories are made with prime-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. The kit comes with a professional tube cutter and quick-connect fittings for easy DIY installation. No tools are required, and the installation is fast and efficient, preventing leaks. The kit includes everything you need for a complete installation, including tubing, valves, adapters, and fittings. Clear instructions are provided to help you complete the job quickly and easily. What we like. This kit is designed to work with a wide range of systems, including RO systems and filtration systems. It also has easy installation with a complete kit. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for your refrigerator and water filtration needs, you should consider this. What people say. The instructions were clear, the parts felt high quality, and everything you need is right there in the box. The installation was way easier than I expected, like adult Legos but for water. In 5 minutes I had an Icemaker up and running, with no leaks. Number 1. HippoHose Refrigerator Icemaker Hose, 20 feet. This hose is designed to fit all Icemaker refrigerator brands. It connects securely to any standard Icemaker and standard refrigerator supply line. It works great for both residential or commercial use. The hose is UPC certified and AB 1953 lead-free, ensuring peace of mind. It's safe to supply water to ice makers or water dispensing refrigerators. You can trust it for your home. Each end of the hose has a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch connections for a secure fit. Brass fittings ensure a solid connection to your refrigerator and water supply. It's burst-proof to withstand higher water pressure. The hose is easy to install for both residential and commercial use. It's ideal for homeowners or contractors. This is the perfect hose to connect your ice maker or fridge to the water supply. The hose is made from superior grade 304 stainless steel with excellent corrosion resistance. It's durable and will bend freely without kinking or crimping, even in tight spaces. This ensures long-lasting performance. What we like. This hose offers a universal fit, making it compatible with all refrigerator brands. It is also UPC certified and lead-free, ensuring safe drinking water. If you like a quick and easy installation with peace of mind, you should consider this. What people say. Being that it is 30 feet in length, it was just long enough that we were able to attach under the kitchen sink, thread it through the cabinets leading to the back of the fridge to attach it to the ice maker connector at the bottom of the fridge. So far so good, it's working very well making ice and water. No leaks and worked exactly as designed. Worked perfectly for our setup. Plenty of length, easy to install, and no leaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.